How to create a Windows 11 bootable USB using Microsoft Media Creation tool. You can use the USB installation media to install a new copy of Windows, perform a clean installation, or reinstall Windows. In this video, we'll show you how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB using Microsoft Media Creation tool. To create installation media, go to the Windows 11 download website. See link in video description. Click download now under Windows 11 installation media. The media creation tool will download. Launch the media creation tool. Click accept. Click next when prompted to choose a language in addition. Insert a USB flash drive if it is not already inserted. Select USB flash drive and click next. Select your drive if there is more than one connected and click next. The program will now download Windows 11 and write it to your USB flash drive. Click Finish. Remove the USB drive from your computer. Going forward, if you need to install or reinstall Windows, you can connect the drive to a computer and reboot it.